Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Brocanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be installing a brand new third brake light on my 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500. So a company called Super-E reached out to me to do an install and a review on their third brake light for model years 2014 through 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500s and GMC Sierra 1500s. Let's do a quick unboxing and take a look at what comes with the kit. So obviously the third brake light. Here you can see the large LEDs. Now this is a third brake light slash cargo light assembly. You also get a padded gasket. Two rubber washers, and a Super-E sticker. So this is going to be a really quick install, so I'll have helpful captions throughout the video like always. With that said, let's start brocanicking. Well, gang, there you have it. That was a really simple install, literally plug and play. So my final thoughts on the Super E third brake light. I mean, it's a good looking brake light. Again, simple plug and play. The amount of LED chips that are in that third brake light, makes for bright illumination, as you've seen in the comparison. Over 90 LED chips, 11 for the cargo light, and 81 for the red brake light. 1500 lumens, impact resistant polycarbonate, high grade ABS plastic for the housing. Comes with a gasket and these O-rings to fit over the screws for a solid waterproof installation. I mean, what's there not to like? I mean, it's literally just plug and play. I also want to give out a big shout out to Super E for sponsoring this video. So I'll have a link in the description below where you can get these third brake lights from Super E. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. If you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is your Hawaiian Brokanic. Aloha.